Welcome to Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro. Janeiro. Where are we, Ashu? Rio de Janeiro. Okay? Then idhar vachestam. She is sleeping. Weather ఎలా ఉంది? యా మీకు అలానే ఉంటుందండి. 70 ఉంది వెదర్. Do you know where we are going now? We are in Rio de Janeiro. Okay? What do you have in Brazil? The wonder of the world. Do you know? It's called Christ the Redeemer. Okay? So now we are going to take the Uber from the airport to go to the wonder of the world, Christ the Redeemer. Okay?
We're just going to call.
No, this time we did not rent the car here because we will be here only for just one night.
Oh, want to try a night?
Yeah, tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock is our flight, so we
Do
thought,
you have a place to stay?
yes, we do.
Where?
We will go to our apartment. Alright, let's see. Okay, doors are closing. We are ready to go.
The family rental. మన కార్ పాడుకుంటే నేను గ్రీన్
Video.
ఏంటో అది
Bem-vindo ao trem do Corcovado. Estamos partindo da estação Cosme Velho e ingressando no Parque...
ఎలా ఉంది ట్రైన్ రైడ్?
Bienvenidos al
How is
tren
it,
de
guys?
Corcovado.
Good?
Salimos de la estación Cosme Velho y entraremos
How is
en
the
el
train
Parque
ride?
Nacional de Turismo, una unidad de conservación electrificada por el
చూడు going on the train ride to see the wonder of the world. Oh, look at that. వంకరగా వెళ్తున్నాం కదా, వంకరగా వెళ్తున్నాం. Actually, just one photo and then I'll give you the jacket. Then chaleస్తుంది. Wow, look at all that mist. Can't see anything. We're gonna drop our phones?
Yeah, you get in trouble.
Yeah, this is not my phone or Amma's phone.
So what did you take from me?
This is Amma's phone. I know, you can't see in the video, it's hard to see. అదంతా వావ్. వావ్. అదిగోండి ఇప్పుడు పైకి చూడండి. So we are standing here, the wonder of the world, the fifth wonder that we have seen, right? Right? All right. Where are you guys standing? Yes, guys are standing near the wonder of the world. What is this? Name of the wonder? Christ the Redeemer. Yes. How many wonders have you seen so far, Aisha? 4. This is the 5th one. That's right. Do you guys? Do you guys know the list? Egypt pyramids. Okay, fine. That's. What else? Jordan, Petra. Right? Mexico. Chichen Itza pyramid. Those are the 4. This is the 5th one. Right? Yeah. Had fun? Okay. Alright, let's go down to the apartment now, okay? Okay. Bye. Signing off from Rio de Janeiro.
Nuestro tren de última generación lo llevará de regreso a la estación Montevideo en aproximadamente 20 minutos. Nuestro descenso debe durar unos 20 minutos. Por razones de seguridad, nunca saque los brazos o la cabeza por la ventana. Aprovecha el viaje para contemplar la vegetación y esté atento a la presencia de animales a lo largo de la ruta.
The next day.
You had fun in Brazil, Aishu? No? Yes. Where to go back? To go USA?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. You want to come back to Brazil again? Why not? It's cold. It's not cold. It's only on that near that wonder it was cold. That's all.
Wonder దగ్గర except one
All right. Say bye to Brazil.
hope
See you next year. See you next year.
we have something else to see.
We'll see. All right. Okay. Let's go security and yes, and we'll get some rest. Okay. Chalo.